Hello everybody, and welcome back to another GTS Wrestling video with your boy, Mick Foley. And I am dressed up in the Mankind costume, and we are doing a GTS Wrestling video. A Reigning Man GTS Wrestling video. As you may not know, if you don't watch GTS Wrestling, it is WWE action figures fighting for the one and only A Reigning Men Challenge. This Reigning Men Challenge is to be eliminated, you must be thrown off the top bunk. Onto the floor. Scared of heights yet? May you not know that we are gonna be demolishing some action figures, such as people as nominees as Kane. What's up, everybody? And if you don't watch GTS Wrestling, the Intercontinental Championship was taken away from Dolph Ziggler to the one and only rated R superstar Edge. Yeah, Intercontinental Championship, man. Yeah. The remaining person from the Reigning Men Challenge will be the winner of the new Intercontinental Championship. We'll have a commercial break. Do you have diarrhea or bloating? Well, to scoop you up from that bloating or dumping, we have something new. A product that will make you stop bloating, goating, or even dumping. We have the product. Take a pill, dump a pill. Take a pill, dump a pill is when you put it in the toilet and then nothing comes out. Yes, this is a real product. Yes. It does work. So, if you want to learn more, go to this website below, callofduty.com. Yes, this is not a real commercial. Yes, you should continue watching GTS Wrestling with many nominees, such as Randy Orton, Rob Van Dam, Dolph Ziggler, Randy Orton, Kane, and more. One predicting that will win will be The Undertaker. You may have your nominees here, such as Edge. These are the nominees playing in the GTS Reigning Men Challenge. Your nominees will be chosen: Edge, Kane, Dolph Ziggler, Rob Van Dam, HBK, Triple H, Shawn Michaels, Undertaker, Randy Orton, and that is it. And Mankind will be participating as a referee. Yeah! Are you guys ready for this match of GTS Wrestling? As you may know, you must fall off of that. We're all the way up here. That's a large way to go down. Let's do this thing, GTS Reigning Man. We have Edge picking up HBK. Shawn Michaels. For it. He's on the floor now. Oh, he's dropped on the Reigning Men floor. Yeah, he's down now. Yeah! What'd you say, Candy? That's what you said? Okay, whatever. Undertaker's grabbing Triple H by the hand, throwing him, rolling him high. Oh! Sweeping him away. He grabs him by the legs. He's using him like a lawnmower. Oh! He's stuck. No! Don't do it, Undertaker. Oh! He's stuck in the dang thingy! Oh! Triple H is all the way down now. Yeah, me Undertaker the bomb. Me Undertaker the bomb. Me Undertaker beat Rusev in every match, yeah. With Edge being the multi-millionaire challenge, could he retain? Throwing Rob Van Dam! Rob Van Dam accidentally jumps off! He's on the floor now with Triple H. Yeah, I'm gonna return. Retain, yes. We will retain, turn to the 10, yeah. Nick Foley's about is like, no, you didn't do that. He's picking him up. No, he's sweeping him out. Oh, he throws Mick Foley to the floor. Yeah. Holden. Oh, Undertaker is now dead down on the floor. He is now dead. He is now no longer a dead man. He is actually dead. Okay, now we got Kane, who eliminated him. Yeah. Edge, and for now, and the last people. Edge, Kane, Dolph Ziggler, and Randy Abortion. Randy Abortion's picking up Kane. Lays him down, but doesn't do it. Oh, no. Oh! That was bizarre. Randy Orton's like, I'm not a viper, I didn't sting him, he just fell off. Like a viper. Oh! He's staying back in. Dang it. Oh, a banana peel. Oh, crap! Oh, he did the splits onto that thingy. Oh, Randy Orton fell off on accidental. The only remaining is the old Intercontinental Championship, Dolph Ziggler. And Edge, yeah, for another GTS Wrestling review. He picks up Dolph Ziggler. Let him down! Oh! He's sweet. Oh! Crap! Dolph Ziggler has just been eliminated! Edge could be eliminated. He could not be the WWE champion unless he gets up here. Oh! Edge is a new retaining WWE champion. No, I don't believe it. I don't even believe it. No. Oh no, my God. Bret Hart's coming up. He's all like, no, you Bret Hart's laying down. Oh, Edge has just been killed. The new heavyweight champion, Intercontinental champion, has just been decided. The new WWE Intercontinental champion is the one and only King of the Mountain, the #1 man, Hitman Hope Foundation, Bret the Hitman Hope. Yeah, put him up. He's just looking at all those dead guys down there. Taking down Edge for the very first time. Hi, baby Pickles. What? Well, my friend, if you would have to ask me, son, I would say you could get a life, kid, because I'm the new Intercontinental Championship. Yeah, stupid Edge, gonna get your ass kicked. Yeah, everyone's down there like a boss. Now, the new Intercontinental Champion is Bret the Hitman Hope. Yeah. What? You know what the twins are already? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Give me that guy with the white shirt. Give me the guy with the white shirt. This guy? And that's it for today's WWE Reigning Men Challenge. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys follow Mala. I hope you guys love this awesome YouTube channel because it's coming back for more GTS Wrestling owned by the new man, Brandon McMahon, who will be a winner. Yeah. So if you want to see more of GTS Wrestling. I want you guys to please subscribe, follow Mawa. Please don't mess with the toy room. This is the toy room. Come take a look. We got some Star Wars stuff, yeah. A lot of Star Wars stuff, huh? A lot of Star Wars stuff, huh? A lot of Star Wars stuff. There's a lot of my stuff. Disney stuff. Well, my friends, I hope you guys enjoyed today's GTS Wrestling video. I hope you guys please subscribe, follow Mara to watch more with your boy, Mick Foley. I am the new host of GTS Wrestling, hired by Brandon McMahon. Yeah! Could I be fired? Could I put a sock in his mouth? Maybe I could, maybe I couldn't. Is his best man The Rock? Or is it Stone Cold Steve Austin? See you guys in another GTS Wrestling video. Please subscribe, follow Moa. Goodbye.